Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can log into another account on Facebook. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on your Facebook app to open it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now I can see my Facebook app is opening. So guys, now I can see this is my Facebook account. So guys, now for you to log into another account on Facebook, what you have to do now is to tap on your profile icon there on the right hand side. You can see it there being juxtaposed with the menu icon. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, before I go ahead, let me make this known. I'm going to be showing you guys two ways that you can use to log into another account on Facebook. The first method is to log into another account that you've logged in using your device before, while the second method is to log into another account that you've not logged in using your device. So guys, these are the two ways I'm going to be showing you guys. So guys, now let's go over to the first method. What you have to do now is to tap on the drop down icon there on the right hand side. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see log into another account. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is written here, switch accounts. So guys, now you can see that these are the two accounts that I have logged into this device. So guys, now if I want to log into another account, what I have to do now is to choose the other account. As you can see here, the first account is already chosen. That's the account I'm using to do this tutorial. But if I want to go over to the second account, what I have to do now is to tap on it, then I'll log into the other account. So guys, let me tap on it so you see it. So guys, what I have to do next now is to tap in login as George. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's logging me into the other account, to my other Facebook account. So guys, now you can see it has logged me into another account. This is my other Facebook account. As you can see here, I've not actually uploaded anything on this account. I've not even uploaded my profile picture. I've not even added any friends. So guys, now let me go back now to the other account so I can show you guys the second method. So guys, now let's go over to the second method. The second method is to log into an account that you've not used on your device before. So guys, now to do that, you have to first of all log out of your current account. So guys, to log out of your Facebook account, what you have to do now is to scroll downward. So let me scroll downward. So guys, now you can see where it is written log out. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. You have to tap on it to log out of your account. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, what I have to do next now is to tap on log out. So let me tap on log out again. So guys, now you can see I've been logged out of my Facebook account. Though if I want to log in, I can do that easily by just tapping on these Facebook accounts that are here. You can see those accounts are my Facebook account. So guys, now to log into another account now, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written log into another account. You can see down there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now this is where you're required to input the login details of the Facebook account that you want to log into. So guys, let me input the Facebook account. You can see there to log in, you have to provide the phone number or email address and also to input the password. So guys, let me do that right away now. So guys, now you can see I've inputted the login details of the Facebook account I want to log into. So what I have to do now is to tap on login. So let me tap on login. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Let's just wait a few seconds. It's going to log us into the account. So guys, now you can see what is written here, save your login info. So you won't need to enter it the next time you log in. So guys, now if you want to save it, you tap on save. But if you don't want, tap on where it is written not now. So guys, I want to save it, so let me tap on save right away. Wow guys, can now see I've successfully logged into another account on Facebook. So guys, now you can see this is another account. You can see there, this is another account. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can log in into another account using two methods. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release new videos like this, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.